Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CivTech Simplified live session. This is Engineer Imran Aziz, and I once again welcome you to this live session. We could not come live for last 2 to 3 weeks because we were busy in the research work and making the videos and sending it on daily basis. As you know, the purpose of making this channel was to support the civil engineering community, especially our targeted audience is fresh graduates who have recently completed their bachelor's of engineering, or either still they are in the last uh, days of the engineering, or maybe during the mid, and they need some material for their job interviews and job exams related to job tests. So this channel is basically for them, and they can refer to these videos, they can watch these videos and learn from this content. So normally practice in Pakistan is that if you apply for the jobs in the public sector or the government sector, you have to appear in some written examinations first, and then later on you get the calls for the interviews if you clear the written examinations. So for that, normally what I saw personally, that graduates and fresh engineers don't get much time to sit on the books, and first they have issues in selecting the material and books, that which book has to be referred for this exam, and which material to be selected for the exam preparation. So if they get this option and they get these books, but then they have issues with sitting on book and studying on continuous basis. So nowadays, this digital media world has shortened these paths. So this effort of making this channel was just to facilitate those fresh graduates who are preparing themselves for the competitive exams or commission exams, and they don't have either time to sit for book reading, or they don't have relevant material with them. So what we do here at CivTech Simplified is we collect the previous exam questions and papers, uh, roughly from 2018 onward. Normally we are targeting. So last 5 to 7 year exam questions, we review them, and then we compile our presentations based on those questions and based on those contents. Then we bring those questions and those topics in the shape of a presentation, and followed up with the video. So this is the practice. Initially, in our initial days, we used to convey a video covering at least 100 questions on each topic. But then later on, we decided to shorten the length of the video first, and of course, if we shorten the length of the video, the number of questions will be reduced. Now we have fixed our video length to 25 multiple choice questions, and because we wanted that this content and these videos are interactive, and they are not people are not getting bored of the lengthy videos, and they don't focus. So now our video length is like quite a easy one. It's between 15 to 20 minutes, and under each video we are covering, and we are disseminating 25 questions. Now you can easily refer to those questions, and if you go through this video or if you listen that video, even the audio part of that, in some cases, you can also you can very well understand the topic, and you have the background knowledge in the shape of the voices. So each slide has one question, and each question has roughly four parts, like four options, like the multiple choice question in the exam. So you have to select one of them, and we already highlighted the corrected one for you because we want that you could review it effectively at later stages if you want. So that is the purpose. So please join us here in the live session and give us your suggestions. If you have, I can write my email address over here if you want, and please send your queries and suggestions over here. It's civtechsimplified@gmail.com. So please send your queries if you have any, either here at the chat box or at the email address provided. And please give us your feedback that how you have the experience uh, going forward with us, and how you find this content. Is it helpful for you or not? And for our friends and fellows in United States, we can also discuss some procurement opportunities and methodologies, that how you will go through the public procurement. So I am engineer Imran Aziz. I am basically a civil engineer having 20 years of diversified experience in urban infrastructure. I did masters in urban infrastructure engineering, and I have procurement background as well. So what we can do is we can share our screen, and I can discuss uh, what I will do is I will share some of the procurement websites in live sessions, which are particularly related to the United States. So you can, I can guide you through those materials, and you can have an idea that which forums are available and where you will find the content which is best suitable for you. Especially, I'm talking at the moment with the colleagues who are in the construction industry, like as a subcontractor or the main contractor. So one of the websites which I found for US clients, and I work on that, and that website is related to school districts or education projects, and that is Quality Bidders. I am sharing the link in the chat. So, and I am discussing it over here with you. I hope you can see this video. Please join this session. We are about to discuss this quality bidders and its features so that you are not missing anything. So please let me know that can you open this and can you see this window? So this is the website. It's qualitybidders.com, and this website is basically for the school districts or the school projects. It's a tool where the schools publish their bids, and you can have an idea. You can either log in and you can either sign up. Initially, if you don't have the account already available at this, you can sign up always through your email address. Here, you will write your company name, your first name, your last name, your email address, password, your US address, its city, state, zip code, phone number, US phone number, and fax, and then you will sign up. So once you are signed up, you will be having an email in your email address inbox, and then through that, normally if you do any sort of a sign up, you will again click to that email and you are redirected to this page. So the second time you have to just log in, and after logging in, you will see the data that whichever is available and how you can go through this. So the available bids over here at Quality Bidder is available in the bids tab. It's at the top rightmost here in the bids tab. You can see the school districts over here in the district column. So these are either like I will share that there are two types of procurement opportunities available for this. The one is CUP CCA. It's an informal bidding. CUP CCA means the small contracts, and the other one is larger contract. And the limit is, I think, $50,000. Up till $50,000, it's under CUP CCA, and more than $50,000, it's the regular bidding. So if you are pre-qualified and you want to get pre-qualification, I can also help you in that. You will have to send me a request in the email, and I can help you for pre-qualification in both type of the project, like in CUP CCA as well as through regular for regular bidding as well. So this portion is related to pre-qualification. Here we can submit your application for any sort of the code which you want. C4 for mechanical engineering and plumbing subcontractors. These are the codes for electrical, mechanical, and plumbing. C4, C7, C10, and these are the codes for public contracts. So here you can see Assembly Bill 2500 student to pre-qualified bidder. It requires school districts with over 2500 students to pre-qualify bidders, general as well as MEP contractors for construction contracts. If a total project value is 1 million or more, and if the project is funded in whole or in part with the state bond fund. So there are two conditions. The schools which have the enrollment of 2,500 students, so they have to pre-qualify the bidder for general subcontract as a general subcontractor as well as mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. So it is must that they will do the pre-qualification process. The second it is option or the second condition is if the value of the contract or the project estimate is more than $1 million, either it is wholly funded uh, through state funding or partially funding, doesn't matter. But if the value is more than 1 million, then that school district is bound to pre-qualify the subcontractors. So you know that there are mainly two categories of the general contractors in the United States. The first one is category A, the second one is category B. So I can help you in both. I have the experience to work for both type of the contractors in preparing their general bidding documents and pre-qualification. I can also help you prepare the bidding documents for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing subcontractors. So if you are interested in CUP CCA and under $50,000 projects or under $100,000 projects, you can also send your requests. So these are the procedures. So benefits pre-qualify online to bid on large projects. There are two categories as I discussed earlier. Or informally bid like CUP CCA project up to $220,000. So it's not 50. In some other platforms it's 50, but here at quality bidders, if the project value is 220,000, then it's an informal bid, and they can directly send you the bidding documents without any competitions. So CUP CCA is that easy to complete online application, secure upload, storage of required documents, submit one application to multiple school districts. Yes, what we will do is we will prepare one application and we can submit it to multiple districts as per your requirements. And then save your application for the future, copy, update application, monitor status online, free service for contractor. So this is the process. Here is the tour. As I said, it's a starting from with sign up, then enter, edit, and then submit application, edit application, submit it to the district. Then district will review that, approve that, and notify the contractor. And if something is missing, it will send you the reporting that you have to complete then this document. And if there is some shortcoming, then it is notified to the contractor. You again review it and again submit. And if the application is complete, then quality bidder submit that application to the concerned district. Here you see the orange color is for district, the left green color is for the contractor. So the quality bidder is basically a platform between contractor and the district, and they have to check the bidding documents and ensure that contractor is uh, capable enough to do that quantum of the work. So if they are satisfied, then they will forward your case to the concerned district, and then district will review your application, and accordingly they will communicate online in the portal. We already discussed about the pre-qualification. There are some FAQs. If you have, you can go through them. These are the contact details of School districts, there are multiple school districts, Alameda country, each state in the United States, you can go through them. For CUP CCA up till 220, there is a list of school districts. You can go through that list as well. So we can help you in this as well. And the last one is bids. The active bids at the moment with the quality bidder is this. So these are the advertisements available. What we do is we do here our county. We select that county. We select the district for which we are interested, and then we select the license. So that which type of license do you possess. If you possess any of the general contractor license, you select it over here. If you are interested in Alameda City of Education, you will select it over here, and all areas. Or if you are only interested in Alameda County, so directly go over here, and there is no bid for this school district. But if you can work either way, through area or only through the in all areas only for the general contractors. So here we have a list of bids, active bids, which is for category B contractors. And then accordingly, you will have to apply for the pre-qualification of each of the bid. So it's good to have pre-qualification prior to the bids. Then it will be very helpful to have that pre-qualification prior to the bid advertisement. Automatically against each of the bid, you will be mentioned as eligible or pre-qualified. So directly we can apply for the bidding. So that is all. In the following videos, we can also share some other platforms, and I hope this has helped you. So please join this session. Otherwise, we will be uploading this video in the post, and you can refer to this content as a post. So that's all for today. So hope to see you next time in the next stress session. Till then, thank you very much and goodbye. Take care of yourself, and please subscribe to this channel so that we could help each other and we could support the fresh graduates. Thank you very much and goodbye.